Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm gonna try to be consistent. It's just been super busy at work, so sometimes I miss making recordings. But anyway, so today I took a couple of trades. DOCU was one of them. This I only took it once. I took it here. Reason for that is if you look at the daily, it dropped right below two moving averages, very strong 50 and 200 moving averages. So I took it when it got to the second one. I was being super patient. It looked like it was holding this level. It held at the 223 mark. And then as it was making its way up after the cross, I took it on the long side, kind of let it chopped. I would have stopped out after it broke probably below the 223. Pretty sizable loss, but the return is almost like 2 to 1. And so on the upside, as it was going up, it got kind of stuck here. I was looking at level 2. It seemed like that, so I just got all out on DOCU. That was it. That was my one and done trade on that ticker. And then for NIO, I did a couple of trades as it broke this level because it looked like it was very strong on the open. I realized that on the daily level, again, it dropped, hit the moving average on the daily level here. It popped up previously on Friday, and then today it was above that. So I figured if it goes above this, it may try to make a run, maybe somewhere back up to this level. So I took it on the long side once it popped above this previous day level. It dropped on me, so I got out really quickly, and it popped up again, so I went in long, and then it looked like it was struggling, so I got out. But right after I got out, it kept holding this level, so I went back in again, and then it popped up, and then I just scaled out. Here, it looked like it held this level to the penny, 37.52, and then it dropped. So once it broke a new 5 minute, a new 1 minute low, I took it on the short side, and then I covered, but I covered too soon. It hit this level. It looked like it was going to bounce, so I went long. But level 2, it didn't look like it was doing anything, so I just got out really quickly, and then it collapsed. On the collapse, it hit this moving average, so I took it on the long side. It popped a bit, didn't really do anything, so I just got all out. And so that was a good decision on my part because after that, it just kept on going down. And I waited. I tried to wait for it to hit, its daily moving average. I went in a little immaturely here, and then when it popped, I took that opportunity to get out. And then I started to size back in a smaller size because it was holding this level, so I thought I was going to go up. But I was weary of it dropping further down back to close to the moving average on the daily level. So took a small size, and then I added in another small size. It popped again. This is where it was consolidating, so I just got out. But right after I got out, it kind of chopped a bit, and then it made this huge run back to VWAP. So it is what it is. I don't regret this move. Either it runs or it doesn't. I missed this. I miss it. Whatever. So that was that. And then I had a couple of trades on PTON. PTON looked like it was going to make a recovery, held this level, so I took it on the long side. It dropped. It stopped me out, and then I didn't play it again because this stock is really weak. It dropped below its daily moving average, so it's going to have a hard time going back up above it. So that's fine. It continued to drop. It tried to do it again, so I went long. Nothing happened. It dropped again. It came back up, so I'm like, okay, it'll go again. So I went long, and then it just consolidated around this area. And then finally, when it popped up, I just got all out at a small profit. But overall, I had a small loss on this. So only after that did it really make its run. But it is what it is. I don't regret it. So that was that. QS, I got stopped out a few times on QS. Took it on a long side, nothing really happened. Couldn't get above this level, so I got out long side, and then it got stopped out, and then it collapsed. So that was it. That was QS. RIOT, similar story. Took it on the long side, it dropped, it stopped me out, and then it continued to drop. I had a level here, but I was playing another stock, so I didn't get in. And then it popped up. Wow. And so that's it. I just took a loss there. SQ, similar to DOCU, I took it on the long side after it hit a daily level. So it hit this daily level, it popped. Took it on the long side, and it went up here. I just got out because it hit a moving average, and on the 5-minute too, you can see it hit a moving average. It already got close to one. So I got out, and then it basically this was it. 246 was where it hung out the rest of the day. So yeah, so that's those are my trades for the day. I'll try to be more consistent in terms of not just trading, but also making videos. But yeah, I go straight to work after I trade, so it is what it is. Anyway, hope you guys stay green. Hope you guys learn from my mistakes, and peace out.